Struggling with breakouts? Discover the Ordinary the Acne Set, your ultimate 3-step regimen for visibly clearer, healthier skin. This comprehensive kit takes the guesswork out of skincare, providing a complete routine designed specifically for acne-prone skin. At its core is the salicylic acid 2% solution, an effective exfoliator that dives deep into pores to fight acne and prevent future breakouts. Unlike harsh treatments, this set ensures gentle yet powerful results, starting with the glucoside foaming cleanser that removes impurities without stripping your skin. Yes, this cleanser is so mild, it's even suitable for sensitive skin types, making it perfect for teens and adults alike. And to complete your routine, the Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus Beta-Glucan Cream provides lightweight, long-lasting hydration, strengthening your skin barrier all day. Imagine finally achieving that balanced, clear complexion you've always wanted with a simple, effective system. Ready to transform your skin? Find the link to purchase the Ordinary the Acne Set on Amazon in the description below. This isn't just another acne product, it's a carefully formulated regimen that truly delivers visible improvements. For anyone seeking the best acne solution for 2025, this set is an absolute must-have in your skincare arsenal.